So somebody's son decided to ask me out on a beach date. So I decided to be a pick me and make a picnic basket. And I decided to make some tacos, child. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I put together this picnic basket. I went with tacos because I feel like they hold up really, really well outdoors. They won't go bad really fast, and they're delicious. They're like, hand food. So they're perfect and easy to make, and I got a lot of help from the grocery store. These are some of the ingredients that you need. And the taco meat is seasoned already and ready to go, but I did put a little twist on it. And yeah, so let's get into it. So to the butter that I ended up burning, I added the seasoned and marinated beef to that. And this is how it looked. First of all, when it hit the skillet, it smells so, so good. I don't know. Maybe somebody's great, great, great grandma was back there packaging this meat because it was seasoned to the gods. No lie, no joke. Y'all know when we buy stuff from the store, say, oh, it's seasoned, da 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 la la. And honey, this beef was seasoned. But I did put my own little twist on it. And, that's how I went with it. This is how it looks once it gets cooked down. I'm just following the directions. And then I added some onions to it to give it like a little pop. Maybe a half of a large onion, white onion. You want to mix that in and cook it for a bit. Remember, this is marinated beef that have all the thickeners and everything in it. This is why it looks like this, okay? And then also I added some pineapples for a sweet pop. And that's what I did, and it turned out amazing. It was delicious. I really, really hope y'all make it. Y'all don't have to be on a date to eat this, but if you're tired one day, get a little help from the store, child. Do what you gotta do. And once I mix this up, this is how it looks. Delicious, simple, easy to make. Didn't have to overthink it. No fuss, no muss. Okay. By the way, make sure you guys are following me on social media to keep up with what I'm doing. And, sometimes these recipes come out before they hit this platform. And so, maybe you could get a head start in case you want to make something. This is how it looks once it's done. I didn't let it reduce all the way because I wanted the tacos to be like loosey-goosey. And so I left some of the juice in there. But as you can see, that it's really nice and thick and ready and good to go. So once I set that to the side on the back stove, I got my tortilla. I'm going to put it down into like a a bit of butter. Oh, by the way, as you can see the phone, I record for multiple platforms for the people that always ask. Y'all done seen it live and in color. Also for the people that say, Misha, why do you only cook with one hand in your videos? It's because I'm recording with the other hand for other platforms, as you can see here. So y'all done finally got a glimpse of it, child. So you want to add your cheese, your meat, some cilantro on top of your tortilla on medium heat. I'm being funny, okay? I'm not, And then now I'm just going to take the spatula and fold it over. And if yours is having some problems when you're folding over, just hold it. Just fold and hold. If your skillet is not hot enough, which it should be hot enough because I told you medium heat, just hold it and it'll stick. Then you want to flip it over, just like I'm doing here, to get the other side and the cheese nice and melty. It's so easy, you can't mess it up, literally. I don't eat tacos that much because, as you know, it's not the healthiest thing, child. Y'all know it's not healthy. You can make them healthy, but they're not the healthiest. And so, but when I do make them, I go there, okay? You can't skimp on a taco. It's either you're going to eat it or you're not, okay, period. And so once that one's done, I'm going to remove it, and then we're going to move on to the next one. Same routine. You add the tortilla, you add the cheese down, you add the meat down, and as you can see here, I have some of the juice in there because I like to, make it, put some juice in there. And then so that it could help. It also helps with crisping up the bottom part of the tortilla, and it also keep it nice and moist, pause, but you get it. And then put some cilantro, some cheese. If you're not a cilantro fan, I guess use parsley, but why? Use cilantro. So you want to flip it over just like this. See? Oh, I see it. The Lord be helping y'all out, child. You see how I had problems just now? I had to hold it, and then it stuck. And then we move on, right? Next, you're just going to flip it over. This is my last one I'm going to show y'all because I think y'all got it by now. But y'all, look how I tore up my stove making some... Look at my stove. Oh my goodness gracious. But once this is done, I just put them all in a plate and set them to the side. And then I'm just going to start building my picnic basket for my date. All right, so this is the Tupperware bowl that I used, and the cover I did put some parchment paper underneath to keep it nice and secure and fresh. And this is the picnic basket. I think a lot of you remember this basket from, I don't even know how long ago I got it. I actually got that from Amazon. And it's so cute. Put some apple juice down in here because that's what I had, child. This was very super, very last minute. I had added some lime wedges down in here because you know you need the lime. Y'all, I've been addicted to sugar snap peas. I don't want to hear nothing. Actually, this bowl of sugar snap peas is mine, child. I'm addicted. It's so good. I had some lemon cake, so I put a couple of slices of those down in there. And I think that's pretty much what I had down in there. And that was it. But thank you guys for watching. If you make this recipe or if you try to put together a basket and you have any tips, because I take tips as well, about putting together a picnic basket, holler at me and let me know. But thank you for your love. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.